Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching the REVEL Nail Love Story themed set. This released last week and it's sold out very quickly, so I'm glad I snagged it when I did. It retailed for $45 and it comes with 5 half-ounce exclusive shades specifically created for Valentine's Day themed manis. I love all the colors that came in this. When I saw the preview of it, I was like, ooh, I need this. I didn't purchase the one they released last year because it was a little too red for my liking, but I love the variety that is in this year's theme set. I love how this year's theme set came together. The colors can be worn totally separately or all together or mix and match, and you don't even have to use them for Valentine's Day. I feel like they're a great, well-rounded, year-round type of collection. So the color I'm going to swatch right here is called Love Letters, and I like to dip once or twice on the underside of my swatch stick and then one time on the top of my swatch stick. The reason I do this is because it helps my swatches look nice and appealing, especially if I'm taking pictures for YouTube or Instagram, stuff like that. And it keeps the bulk of the dip on the underside of the swatch, so my swatches don't look lumpy and really just sloppy. It's just really important to me for them to look well presentable. The next color is called Say Yes. It's similar in color to Love Letters, except for it is a flaky dip powder. Hell yeah, Revel! Thank you so much for adding flakies to your releases, because I feel like, to be honest, they need to do more flakies in their collections. They're so easy to use, they're absolutely beautiful, and you can do so many colors. You can literally add flakies to a solid dip powder and bam, you just changed up a color. So yes, please bring more flakies to these collections. This glitter here is called First Kiss, and it's a gorgeous, like, clear base. I do think it's clear base, maybe like a very, very light milky white glitter flake. So the glitters are like shard pieces, irregular, flaky kind of glitters. They do have to be patted down flat though, not like your super airy flakies like the last color. Blind Date is a beautiful, soft pink, chunky glitter mixture. So you're going to see the chunky pieces I'm referring to, although I will say it has more of the smaller chunky pieces than it does the larger, which is good because it makes it a lot easier to use and a lot easier to encapsulate. So if you struggle with encapsulating glitters or using chunkier glitters, I don't think you're going to have much of a problem using this chunky glitter. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. And Endless Love has to be my favorite out of all of these colors, although I do love them all so much. I know it is just like your standard pink dip powder, however, it chromes. This color can be chromed over itself or over any other color. It has a gorgeous blue sheen to it once it's chromed, which I will be showing a little bit later in this video. I'm going to use a gel top coat to show you how I chrome it. So this is a nice light shimmery gorgeous pink color. It's so easy to use. I actually already used it. I'll show you guys that mani in a little bit, but seriously it is my favorite. I actually used it to do a scrub ombre over a white color called Emily, and it ombreed perfectly in just one coat. So I'm going to do the chroming portion now. I'm applying a gel top coat to half of my swatch stick so you can see the difference once it is chromed versus when it's not. I cured my swatch stick in my LED nail lamp for 10 seconds, and now I'm burnishing in the powder onto the gel top coat, and it's already chroming beautifully. So just wait till I'm finished here and you'll be able to see like the blue sheen. It actually picks up a little white on my camera. Sorry about that. It does feel more blue in person. And for another little surprise, the clear base glitter mix called First Love actually changes colors in UV or sun daylight. So it goes from a clear base to more of a purple base, and I think that is so freaking cool. So you can see here how it has the clear base, and I just showed you all the purple base. But I think this whole collection, like release and everything, is absolutely gorgeous. It goes really well together, and it was a very well thought out set. So I'm going to pop First Kiss back in my nail lamp again just to show you what it looks like when it changes colors, and it's next to the solid Love Letters. It pairs really nicely with this solid Love Letters, in case you were wondering. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and whether or not you got this collection, I would love to hear your thoughts on what you think about the color variety and the whole theme in general. Also, I just did a mani with 2 of the colors from this collection, and look, oh my gosh, I just realized that the glitter, the chunky glitter, glows. I have it on 2 of my fingernails, as you can see here. Hold on, let me turn the light back on so you guys can see the full mani. This is my attempt at a penguin mani. I hope y'all think I nailed it. I don't know. There's like snowflakes and icicles and hearts and gold details. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.